Hello, this is Eric of Sparky Studio, and welcome to part 2 review of the Lewitt Pure Tube microphone. I have the studio kit, and the studio kit means it comes with a shock mount, it comes with a magnetic pop filter. But what if you want to save money and just get the Essential kit? Well, for one, almost no shock mount is going to work with this. This here, however, is the JZ microphone shock mount, which goes to anything. It's not as extravagant. It's just knobs that screw into place. Now, I do have it mounted against the glass. As an option, this is $99 because we can no longer use this pop filter if we don't have that shock mount because this is magnetic to that shock mount. This here is about $30 or $40 from Melon Audio. It came with 2 of these little sponge-looking things with an arm, which I removed, with the Melon Audio pop filter. Pizza party. Peter had a pizza party and it was delicious pizza. This is the Lewitt Pure Tube pop filter. Pizza party with Peter. Peter had a pizza party. It was delicious pizza. And without a pop filter. So Peter had a pizza party. It was delicious pizza. Did Peter have some pizza that was really delicious? I don't know. But we'll find out if Peter had delicious pizza. We'll find out if Peter had delicious pizza. Pizza party with Peter. In part 1 review, I was playing guitar. And my thoughts are, it's extremely good. Deep grumbly sound, which really can ruin your audio in terms of recording an instrument. So for instrument recording, I honestly really like this, especially in a place of reverb happening. If there's a lot of audio bounce, I expect it to be really bad. It was not really bad. Solid walls, and that gives a lot of reverb. I have no clue how I'm coming through in terms of reverb sound, but we'll both find out on playback. Because I can hear an echo even after the fact that I speak, because all the walls are solid. What I like about this microphone is very natural tone. And if you're looking for a natural tone that sounds like you, this will work quite nice, especially how it smooths things out. It gives that really buttery, smooth sound. Be yourself, don't be afraid, 'cause your fear will be your downfall. Be yourself, don't be afraid, when we're here for us all, yeah. There's no need to run away. There's no place like home. There's no need to run away. There's no place like home. Yeah. Okay. Right here we have Danny with the Dare to Be Stupid show. And he has a deeper voice than me.
Should I do a game show voice?
Whatever you like.
Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
You can go a little bit higher like this. Hi, everybody. It's me, Elmo.
Or you can go like this. Next time, Gadget. Next time.
Hi, how are you? It's me, Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm here with Eric in Sparky Studios. Eric's nice. I like the setup. It's great.
Because it has a better frequency response than my Kanto Aura monitor speakers. Especially in the bass frequency, which this one drops off. Right there. We can see that. That low end rolls off. Now, I'm going to actually do this in the weirdest way possible. I'll show you right now. Yes, I know, this is ridiculous, but it's going to work better than speakers. You can't get any more accurate than accurate monitor speakers in headphones going right directly into the capsule. One thing I must note is these headphones don't have a flat frequency response, but it'll give us an idea of the pickup of this microphone because it picks up from 5 Hertz all the way to 25,000 Hertz. subscribe to Sparky Studio and help this channel grow. And if you are subscribing right now or already are subscribed, then yes, you are awesome. When it comes to this, it's very vocal, clear, not a problem there. Now, one thing this does lack is that very bassy tone, if that's what you're going for, that growly sound, but you can always add it in equalization. Very natural, fairly flat tone. Didn't get that really bassy, annoying sound when you're recording an acoustic guitar. It was very clean and clear, and that's what I really like about this. This is Eric of Sparky Studio. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day. Wait a minute, I missed something in part 1 review. Let's quickly show the plugins included for powering the power box. The power supply comes with 2 different plugin types. Looks like European and Canadian American type.